My name is Martin and I have been studying charisma and communication skills for 4 years straight, and I have helped dozens of people to improve their charisma to levels that are completely unimaginable. In today's video, I will show you how you can talk with so much confidence that everybody will believe in you instantly. So the first thing I want to express with 100% of my honesty is that we people have this dumbass tendency to apologize or use sentences to put like a trampoline over our sentences, or more like a parachute. Our brain is thinking that if we use these sentences, we will then be safe. Let me give you a direct example. So for example, if you start your sentence with I think, maybe we might these words signal to others that you don't believe in what you are saying. So if you say, oh, I think we can go into the movie theater, right? You already see the problem. You are starting with words that are just saying to other people, you are a huge pussy because you are scared to say something with confidence. So let me show to you exactly how this will look like in practice. Instead of saying, I think, say, I believe. So if I want to get people to a movie with me, what I will do is that I will come and I will say, hey bro, I believe that we should go onto I don't know, what kind of movie can I say? Some good movie. Avatar 3 now came out. Yeah, I can use that. Bro, we should go to Avatar 3 on Friday. Oh, that's a title booster. We should go to Avatar 3 on Friday. And now, whoa, now you are thinking to yourself, oh, we should? Yeah, we really should. Because now I've literally sold the idea by just how I speak. But imagine if I say, I think we should go. It's different. It's much different. It is not doing that kind of authoritative leadership like energy. But if I say, oh bro, we should go on Friday. Yeah bro, I got already the seats booked in, let's go. It simulates so much authority, assertiveness, and especially leadership. So if you are, for example, selling something, or if you are talking to someone and you want to convince them to join on something, dude, I'm telling you, this is the best thing that you can ever do. Instead of speaking with all of these fluffy words, just use those assertive ones. Second thing, after you say your request or you say your sentence, what I highly recommend is for you to down talk. So instead of going high at the end, you will go down. So it will look something like this. We should go on Avatar 3 on Friday. You see how with my voice, I didn't went up, I went down. That simulates a lot of authority and a lot of credibility in what I'm saying. So the next time that you will be going to someone and you want them to buy from you something, say it like you own the thing. Say it like you are in control of the entire conversation and say, I believe you should buy my product. It's one of the best products on the entire market. You see how I'm slowing down at the end of the entire sentence. Like it shows that I'm in the control of the entire situation. And especially where this works is when you will try to seduce girls. Trust me, I know. So for example, if I go to a girl to ask for an Instagram, I'll go, excuse me, you look very pretty. What would be the chance that I could get your Instagram? Like this, I will slow down at the end with a little bit of a deep voice. And that will get me, I can guarantee you, bro, that gave me at least 10% more Instagrams. 10%. 10% higher success rate. So if you use that, you will be 10 times better. And next time, if you also want to use these assertive words combined with the down talk, dude, I'm telling you, you need to pause. You need to just be comfortable to let the silence stay. Because if you will just keep on talking, your audience will have no space to even comprehend what you have said. That's why whenever I have this request, let's come back to the Avatar 3 example, alright? I will say, we should go to Avatar 3 on Friday. You see, what I have said is that I have said we should, then I have also down talked at the end and I've combined it with a 2-second pause. Now, that did not sound like a question because most people talk like this. We should go to Avatar 3 on Friday? You see how does that sound? We should go to Avatar 3 on Friday? Like they don't believe in themselves. It sounds so weird because first of all, there is no pause. The pause is like how much? Like 2 milliseconds? Absolutely shit. And second of all, they just go up with their sentence, and it sounds horrible. You are asking for permission? We can go on a Friday? Like you don't believe in yourself in that sentence whatsoever. That's why you need to, again, quick recap, you will use words like we should, I believe, I should, no, we should, and I believe. Those are the best ones. And also, what a huge mistake that people do is they will also destroy their sentence before they even say the sentence. So, for example, it can be like, I'm sorry to bother you, but we should go on Avatar 3. You're already killing the sentence. Then, I'm sorry to bother you is already telling me that, oh, this guy is not confident. Fuck him. Fuck this guy. Is telling me that this guy has no idea what he's talking about. He does not even know if we should go on Friday. Maybe if we should go to Avatar 3, maybe we can go to some other movie, or maybe on Friday. Is this maybe Saturday? Like, that one statement is telling me that you are not confident whatsoever in what you are saying. I am sorry to bother you, but cut that out and just say, we should go to Avatar 3 on Friday. Sounds good? Amazing, bro. If you say it like that, now everybody is gonna be like, bam, bam, bam. Everybody's brains will just start automatically clicking with this light bulb, boop, because everybody will now know that you are the leader. So this is how you will do it. This is how you will become so leadership-like that everybody will follow your lead no matter what. And also, shameless plug, guys. Shameless, completely shameless plug. If you want to work with me, the charisma expert himself, here you can just click the first link in the description and you can work with me completely for free to improve your social skills, communication, charisma, absolutely everything. So just join the first click. Oh, what the hell? Just click the first link in the description. I'm losing my speaking patterns. Love you so much. Take care. Bye.